Students, now we will see how can we find the value of x minus 1 by x when x plus 1 by x is given, or x plus 1 by x when x minus 1 by x is given. As you know, from both these I can find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. If either x plus 1 by x is given or x minus 1 by x is given. So first find the value of this. If this is 3, this will be 9. If I am moving plus to plus, I will minus 2. This is 7. Now you have to find the value of this from this. See what we will do. Moving from this to this square and add 2. For addition minus 2, and on the side of square put square root. The answer will be root 5. See here, we can find the value of this. From this I am moving from minus 2 plus, first square, minus 2 plus 2, I will plus 2, answer is 11. But I have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. See, if I have to move from here to here, what I do? Square and minus 2. तो माइनस की जगह प्लस और स्क्वायर की जगह स्क्वायर रूट. तो आंसर विल बी दिस. But in exam, due to the exam pressure, we will have confusion over it. So we have made a standard trick for it. See what the trick is. The trick says if x plus 1 by x is equal to a, this means x minus 1 by x is equal to a square minus 4. If x minus 1 by x is equal to a, this means x plus 1 by x is equal to a square plus 4. But students still have confusion कि whether to put minus or plus. See, it is obvious that x minus 1 by x will be less than x plus 1 by x. So if we have to find the value of x minus 1 by x, I put minus here. And x plus 1 by x is always larger than x minus 1 by x. So if I have to find the value of x plus 1 by x, I will put plus here. See example. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, this means x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 square is 9, and I am finding the value of minus, so I will put minus 4. The answer is root 5. Again see, if x minus 1 by x is 3, this means x plus 1 by x 3 square 9, but I am finding the value of plus, so I will plus 4. Answer would be root 13. It is very important concept. We will use it in many more questions. Now we will see a very important question on the concept told earlier. See the question. If x plus 1 by x is 4, find the value of x square minus 1 by x square. As I already told you, in square, in forward direction, you can't move from plus to minus and minus to minus. Okay, so how we will solve? You all know the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So I can write x square minus 1 by x square is as x minus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x, and I already know the value of x plus 1 by x is 4. If I will find the value of x minus 1 by x, I can easily answer it, and you know x minus 1 by x is a square minus 4, where a is the value of x plus 1 by x. So put here 4 square is 16, 16 minus 4 is root 12. Okay, to plug here root 12 into 4, or I can write as 2 root 3 multiply by 4. Answer is 8 root 3. See one more example based on this concept. If x minus 1 by x is 5, then find the value of x square minus 1 by x square. X square minus 1 by x square will be equal to x minus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. But its value is already given 5. So main work left is to find the value of x plus 1 by x, and we know x plus 1 by x is equal to a square plus 4, where a is the value of x minus 1 by x. So put here 25. This will be root 29. So answer would be root 5 root 21. Okay, you have to keep in mind, in square you can't move plus to minus and minus to minus in forward direction. Means you can't move to minus in forward direction by trick. You have to take help of this formula to find the value of square in minus. Hello students, till now we have understand the squares. Now we will move to the cubes. See, in square I can move from plus to plus and minus to plus in forward direction, but in cube you can move from minus to minus and plus to plus only. See the example. If x plus 1 by x is a, and you have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, then this is the trick. A cube minus 3a. See an example. If x plus 1 by x is 3, and we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, whatever I have written, cube this minus 3 multiply by this, answer would come out to be 36. But if it is given x minus 1 by x is 3, you have to find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Cube this, and if you are moving from minus to minus, multiply this by 3, and if you are moving from minus to minus, put plus here. Here answer is 18, sorry. Here answer would come out to be 36. So you need to keep in mind that in cube I can move from plus to plus and minus to minus. Okay, if I am moving plus to plus, क्यूब तो हमें दोनों में करना पड़ेगा, चाहे प्लस हो चाहे माइनस हो. क्यूब करने के बाद अगर हम प्लस से प्लस में जा रहे हैं, जो भी नंबर यहाँ है उसको 3 से गुणा करके माइनस कर दो. अगर माइनस से माइनस में जा रहे हैं तो जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे है उसको 3 से गुणा करके प्लस कर दो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ इट इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड आई हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, 4 क्यूब minus 3 multiplied by 4. So answer would come out to be 52. If it is equal to 5, then this will equal to 5 cube is 125 minus 3 multiplied by this, answer is 110. See here, if this is 4, then this value is 4 cube is 64 plus, because I am moving from minus to minus, 3 multiplied by this, answer would come out to be 76. If it is equal to 5, then this value equal to 5 cube is 125, but I am moving from minus to minus, so I will add 3 multiplied by 5, sorry 140, and I have made a trick. You can remember this, but you can generally take this. But keep in mind, in cube we can move from plus to plus and minus to minus. See an example. It will clarify all your doubts.